Today we're going to be talking about the Shiba Inu Coin reverse split and why it's probably not going to work. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment down below what you would do if I put 1 billion Shib in your wallet this morning. What would you do? Would you hold on to it? Would you sell it? Let us know in the comment section below. Also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Now, if you guys have not already, go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1. You're gonna get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon just a couple weeks ago. So if you guys want to try out your luck with that, go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description, or first link in the description. If you want to use the second link, you can also get signed up to our buy and sell alerts with the second link in the description. You get one-on-one interactions on Discord and Patreon, as well as first looks into new crypto we're looking into. So if that sounds like something you might want to be interested in, go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description. But anyways, today we are talking about Shiba Inu Coin. We are currently down 8.5%, but we're really just going to be talking about the reverse reverse crypto split, I guess. And this is something that has been brought up as a community as of late. I believe Matthew Perry went over it and he said it wouldn't work. I believe Kyle might have went over it today. I'm not too sure on that, but I'm going to be giving my thoughts on it. And then also, I do want to mention, guys, that we actually have a very important event today. It's going to be the Shiba Inu Coin AMA. So that's going to be today or Tuesday today when you're seeing this, though, at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if that's something you might want to, join, then go ahead and subscribe to us. We're going to be providing coverage of this. So if you subscribe to us, you'll be notified when we go live, and you can join us at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to go over this AMA. Some things that are going to be discussed are going to be the Doggy DAO, the Shib ecosystem, Wellies, the Shib metaverse, the Shiba Inu games, and the Shiboshis, the NFTs. So if you guys want to hear some new stuff about all that, go ahead and get subscribe to us to watch our live stream on it. But anyways, Shiba Inu Coin down 9.5% today. I don't know if this is actually true. It says 9.5%. I think it's like 8%, but whatever. And we're going to be talking about this strategy that is being used or that could be used to boost Shiba Inu Coin's price above 10 cents. So here we are, reverse stock split strategy that could boost Shiba Inu value above 10 cents. In an effort to boost the value of Shiba Inu Coin, the project team alongside Shib Army has embarked on several initiatives to reduce the total supply of the cryptocurrency. Despite these collaborative efforts that have resulted in the burning of nearly 259 billion Shibs, the cryptocurrency is still far from hitting 10 cents. And really the real goal is just 1 cent, right guys? But that's not something we'd have to go over. Despite these there is a new strategy that has been proposed by a few people. Interestingly, several experts believe the current burning mechanism to reduce Shib's 1 quadrillion total supply is insufficient to bolster the cryptocurrency's value. Famous investment journalist Will Ashworth has suggested that the team behind Shiba Inu should implement a crypto version of a reverse stock split for Shib to push the token's price to greater heights. According to Ashworth, using the reverse stock split strategy on Shiba Inu would reduce its total supply by more than 50%. And it really depends. If you guys don't know what a stock split is, basically a stock split is when you take the amount of shares that are outstanding or the supply of a stock, and you either cut it or you add more shares to it. Now, a reverse stock split would take shares or Shiba Inu out of circulation and basically increase the price of Shiba Inu, but you would then have less Shiba Inu in your wallet. So say you have, we do a 10-to-1 crypto split, let's call it, or stock split, whatever you want to call it. If we do a 10-to-1 stock split, you have 10 million Shib. You will now have 1 million Shib, but your Shib would be worth not more. Your Shib wouldn't be worth any more. It would be worth the same amount, but the supply, the price would be higher, but you would just have less Shib, if that makes sense. So a reverse stock split is a company's initiative to reduce the number of outstanding shares. Ashworth recommended that instead of Shiba Inu team continuing to buy some units of Shib's during the price dip, they should consolidate the existing 1 quadrillion Shibs into fewer units, which would become more valuable. The team behind the project can use a 1 for 10 reverse stock split, where 1 unit of the new Shib token will replace every 10 old Shiba Inu of the cryptocurrency. The move, if implemented, will drastically reduce the total supply of Shib. So let's say Shiba Inu coin was worth a tenth of a penny. If we were to do a 1 to 10 reverse stock split, we would then have and you had 10 million Shib, you would now have 1 million Shib at 1 penny. So it would be the same price, however the price would just be different. So the market cap didn't go up because no more money was added. The supply was simply taken out and of all of our wallets. So a lot of people probably would not like this. I'm going to be honest with you. Most of you guys are just going to be like, well, what's the point? That means my money hasn't gone up. Say we do a 10 to 1 or 1 to 10 reverse split, you don't get any more money. It simply goes from whatever the price is, say it's 1/10 of a penny to now a penny. So we got to the penny, cool, but none of us are rich because the price doesn't, or the value of your Shib hasn't changed. So yeah, I mean, basically that's the whole thing about the reverse split. And really, even if they do it, I don't even think they have the capability to do it. At this point, I don't think they even have the capability to do a reverse split. Even if they did it, it wouldn't make us any more rich than we are now. It wouldn't give us any more money than we have now. And it would give people less of a reason to actually stay invested in Shib, because a lot of us are here for the journey to 1 cent through burns and through actually getting there, not just having it artificially done. So yeah, that's my thoughts on the reverse split. But yeah, also I do want to mention the global crypto market is down 5%. This is because Russia has decided to invade Ukraine, in my opinion, and also we're at $1.69 trillion market cap. Shiba Inu coins are currently sitting at about a $13.3 billion market cap. The volume is sitting at about $2 billion. That's a 51% increase. And now let's go over the technical analysis for a sec. Basically what we're seeing here, I do want to go back to a month. What we're seeing here is Shiba Inu coin trading between the 28 resistance and the 24 support. We have bounced off this support a few times at this point, so that is great to see. Basically, we are holding the support extremely well, and that's really all you need to know on that. But we are trading between this 32.5, which is our previous resistance, this 28, which is our previous support, now our new resistance, and now we have a support here at the 24. We are not trending back up on the MACD yet, but it looks like we probably will here soon. And the RSI is only at 33, so we could see pretty good gains to about the 26 to a 27 in the next day. But yeah, that's pretty much all on the stock split. Make sure you guys get signed up to the public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1, you get up to $300 worth of free stock with that first link in the description. Also, go ahead and get signed up to our Patreon or get our buy and sell alerts with that second link in the description if you guys are interested in that. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. That's going to be it for this video. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next one.